The carbon-fluorine bond is the strongest single bond in organic chemistry. First synthesized in 1938, mass-produced since the 1940s. There are over 12,000 known compounds. They do not burn, they do not break down, they do not dissolve. They have been detected in Arctic ice, in deep ocean sediment, in rainwater on the Tibetan Plateau. In 2022, researchers concluded that rainwater everywhere on Earth exceeds safe drinking water guidelines. 97% of people tested carry them in their blood.